Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone restarting by itself. If you are using any iPhone and your iPhone is randomly restart by itself, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So there are some possible ways to fix your problem. The very first way is that you have to open your settings here, then go for general, go for software update, and here if you have enabled beta updates, so you have to try to turn off beta updates and then try to download and install any official iOS version or software update on your iPhone, because beta updates may affect your system. And once you have done, your issue will be almost fixed. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you can try to make a hard restart to your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press only the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and reach the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, so you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you just have to open your settings here, go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, and then continue through this step, because sometimes it might be that you have enabled or disabled any setting which is having the same issue, or after that your all setting will be resetted, so it will not delete your data. So you can easily try this fix. And after doing that, if you're still having the same issue, so it might be that there will be a new virus or any malware in your iPhone system. Now to fix that, you have to clear up your storage. So open settings from here, then go for general here, go for iPhone storage, and here you'll find all the installed apps on your iPhone. You have to look for any unknown app. If you find any unknown app here which you don't have installed, so which you cannot recognize, so you must have try to uninstall the app from here. So you have to scroll to left side and you'll get the option of delete, and so you can easily delete app from here. Or if you don't find any unknown app, so you can try to disable background app refresh. Select background app refresh option and then select off option from here, as I have already off. So now we'll go back, then go for apps, go for Safari app from here, and from here select clear history and website data. Select clear history, because your browser history may include some viruses. So once you have done all of these, so your issue will be fixed. Or if you are still facing the same issue, so now you have a only way to fix the issue. You have to make a factory reset to your iPhone, or you can check your hardware, your battery. If you have an original battery and you don't have any issue with your battery, and after that you still having the same issue, so you have the only way to make a hard reset or factory reset to your iPhone. Not to do that, you have to open this gentle settings, go for transfer reset, select erase all content and settings, and very first you have to keep in mind it will delete everything on your iPhone. So you have to keep backup of your photos, videos, your accounts, passwords, and anything which is necessary on your iPhone. And after that, you will delete everything, including your photos, videos, your apps, accounts, your password, everything installed and downloaded on your iPhone. So you just have to continue this step, and after that your issue will be fixed. It will also delete all type viruses from your iPhone, so you will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.